Teach a Village to Read, a Goodwill project from New Zealand. The Builder's Cat by Gwenda Turner. Mr. Cooper the builder and Abraham his cat are the best of friends. Abraham loves going to work with Mr. Cooper. He likes to rest his paws on the window and hang his head out. He loves the wind on his face. Tim and Billy, who live down the road, wave as they drive past. Mr. Cooper works at lots of different building jobs, so Abraham always has an interesting time. He likes to explore the other contractors' vans, wheelbarrows, buckets, and watering cans. If there are any cats lurking about, Abraham will find them. Abraham doesn't mind the loud banging of the hammer, the buzz of the drill, or the bang and click of the nail gun. Abraham loves wandering about, especially on roofs. He wishes he could play with Mr. Cooper's tape measure. But he has found something much more interesting, the builder's string line. Sometimes when Mr. Cooper and Abraham arrive home, Tim and Billy are waiting for them. The boys love visiting Mr. Cooper. He shows them how to saw wood, paint, hammer nails, and draw pictures. "We're lucky," says Tim, "to have friends like you and Abraham." "And I'm lucky to have friends like you and Billy," says Mr. Cooper. The builder's cat agrees. Lick, lick,